socially and economically. We are a group of warring camps. And let me confess that I am probably one of the leaders of such a camp. But sir, I'm quite convinced that given time and circumstances, nothing in the world will prevent this country from becoming one. However, I find no reference to the idea of grouping in the objectives resolution. Personally, I do not like the idea of grouping. But I always thought the Congress party had agreed that if the provinces which are placed under different groups consent to form a union or sub-federation, it would have no objection. Then why is there no mention of this? An omission that is bound to prevent the Muslim League from entering this assembly. I'm not asking you to consider whether you have the right to pass this resolution straight away or not. It may be that you have the right to do so. The question I'm asking is this: is it prudent for you to do so?
जिन्ना साहब के इंतजार में एम्स एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स रेजोल्यूशन का